Morning and Jai Hind. In previous video we have learned about present continuous tense. In this video I am going to discuss past and future continuous tense. Past continuous tense. It is used to describe the action going on at a point of time or over a period of time in the past. That means any action which was going at any particular point of time or over a period of time. That means if an action is longer but the action is happening in past, so in that case we have to use past continuous tense. As in example, she was singing a song. That means a girl was singing a song in past. Right now she is not singing, but at particular time in past she was singing a song. Similarly, in next sentence also, he was playing football. Here also there is a boy who was playing football at particular moment in the past. We can recognize past continuous tense in any of the statement by looking at the verb. Here we can see in both the sentences there is a helping verb, main verb plus ing. Helping verb shows the whether it's a past tense, present tense or future, and main verb, after main verb there is an ing. This ing represents a continuation. So it's a continuous tense. We can easily recognize past continuous tense. Sometimes it may happen that when any action was in progress, then some other action took place. Here also we can use past continuous tense. We can understand this with the help of this example. They were sleeping when I reached their house. There are two actions which are going one after the other. The first action was I reached their house. That means I went to their house, and after reaching there, what I saw that they were sleeping. That means two things happened at that moment, and the first action would take the past tense, and the second action, which is longer in period, we are going to use past continuous tense. Okay. Similarly, in the next example also, when I saw him, he was crossing the road. When I saw him. That means this is the first action. Here we have used past tense. And when I saw, he was crossing the road. This action was still in continuation, but it was in past. Okay. So we have used past continuous tense in this sentence. Especially in the second action which is happening over here. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to denote an action that will be in progress at some time in the future. That means any action which will be going on at some particular time in future. Then we have to use future continuous tense. Let us see the example here. Sammy will be playing at chess at that time. Sammy will be playing. Here we can see will means future and playing continuation. That means will be playing is a future continuous tense. We can recognize the sentence or tense with their verb. And what does it mean that Sammy will be playing in future at some particular moment at particular time in future? What he would be playing? He will be playing chess. Okay, we are talking about future, and at that moment the action will be in continuation. It will be happening at some moment in future. Similarly, next example is here. When I reached home, my children will be playing. That means on reaching my home, I am going to watch my students my children's, as they would be studying at that moment, and that action would happen in future. Okay, so, and the continuity would be there in action will be continued, so we are using future continuous tense here, and it is represented by the verb will be studying. Main verb plus ing and will be at the beginning of the main verb, before the main verb. So I hope you all would understand the past and future continuous tense. Thank you.